Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Hey, listen, wanted to talk to you about a concept that I started doing to produce more content pieces in a short amount of time. Now, as you can see here, I'm running about 12 to 13 different channels. I run like 7 brands, so I'm pretty busy, right? And I'm not showing you to try to impress you. I'm trying to show you where I've had to try to figure out a way to get out as much content as I can in a short amount of time and to utilize the least amount of tools. So, of course, this is Publer. If you haven't heard of Publer, Publer is a tool that I use to manage a lot of my posts. I sometimes use Publer, sometimes I use other tools like Radaar as well. I like some of the things that Radaar, when I have nothing to think of at all, Radaar kind of helps me because it kind of gives me a good news feed on what's hot and what's going on. But I wanted to show this particular example here because I want to show you how I'm able to get 4 or 5 pieces out in less than 20 minutes. And so let me show you what tool that I'm using. And if this is your first time to this channel, please go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm always doing these different hacks, trying to show you how to become efficient and try to put tools together. So let me show you what tool I'm using. Now, the other tool that I'm talking about is called Content Fries. And like I say here, get dozens of content pieces in matter of minutes. So I will have an affiliate link below. It's not going to cost you any additional. But if you found this video to be helpful in making a decision, please go ahead and look at my link below, or it will be in my digital growth hack store. You should be able to find it there too. But let's get into the tool, right? And I'm not going to do a full walkthrough of the tool. I think there's other people who have done it. If you want me to do a full walkthrough, go ahead and comment below. But it's pretty much a tool where you can upload your video. Let's say you create a video somewhere else or create your content piece. What it does is it chops them all up into different flavors. Like this gave me Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube from one video, literally in minutes. And so that's the power of it. And then this is potatoes, right? What potatoes does is it takes some of your content, your history already that you already have, you upload, and you can do some other things with that. The power in this, and you can do quotes as well, right? You can put your own quotes together, right? But it has a quotes generator, so you get a certain amount of quotes and so on and so forth. The power in this tool is the fries, right? You take the fries and you just chop it up. You take one piece. So let me show you here basically what happens. And you just upload it. And once you upload it, it'll say, all right, it's ready to edit. So what you do is, let me show you the difference in a Facebook video, right? So this is a Facebook video. You'll notice here, it took my title and just added my title up here. It added the title there. It gave me a white box here, right? And so it'll play inside there. So you just start. So what's happening is this is going down the side. You can add this in there. You can add the bubbles that go across the top. I may be able to show you that as somebody's speaking. I will show you that so you can just see the range in this tool. You can click on it here. You can make edits here, right? And so on and so forth, right? And so this, I'm just showing you what this would look like for a Facebook export, right? And so once it does, it comes in and it generates all your captions for you. You can go and edit your captions, and then you just download it here, right? And then that's it. Once it pulls in, you just download it, make a few edits. Then what happens is you go right back, right? And this, like I said, this is the power of this tool. You go right back and you says, all right, so these are ones that I did already. So then you can go here. Let me show you the difference, the major difference. So that one had the white box around the top and around the box around the bottom. This is a YouTube, right? You don't have the white box here, and it needs to fit into an entire window. So your captions will still play here. And so you still have the line that goes across the top and across the bottom. You crank out 4 pieces, upload them in your Publer, right? put them in your Publer, put them in and post them to your calendar, you could crank out a month's worth of pieces. So you could spend, I think, maybe 2 or 3 hours on an early Saturday and crank out a month's worth of content for all of your platforms. I would give it like 3 hours. Depends on if you're nitpicky like me when you're editing. I would mix these two tools together on my SaaS use case TV. I actually show you my actual regiment and how I'm putting together a video over there to show you how I do my exact regiment, how I'm able to get out 40 pieces in 1 month. I'm able to spend maybe 3 hours and get out 40 pieces. So I'm gonna walk through my entire regiment over there on SaaS use case TV. There should be a link in here for that as well, or you can get that from the store. But that's the power of using content fries. So you can get all of your content. It has a progress indicator. It also, let me show you one more. I wanted to make this video short. I just can't. Everybody's on me. Make your video shorter, make your video shorter. It's just hard for me to do. I'm sorry. So this is one that I want to show you where it has the, as soon as I dropped it in, it just started, it immediately started putting things together and putting my shell together for me. So let me show you. And so what you're going to see here is you're going to see that same piece go across the top, but it allowed me the opportunity to put a voice piece here because I'm talking. So basically what I took from one of my podcasts, I created another 4 pieces just for my podcast. So the podcast included, so that's 5 pieces of content on 5 different platforms using a tool like Content Fries and a tool like Publer. So again, I could crank out my entire words. Everybody's like, hey, how do you get out so many pieces? I don't have that time. I'm running, a lot of different brands. I don't have that kind of time. So what I'll do is I will spend 2 or 3 hours early on a Saturday before everyone gets up, before my wife gets up, and I will crank out, 40, 50 pieces. And they're already set. So a lot of people say, hey, they're already set. So I don't do that. So again, using a tool like Publer and using a tool like Content Fries, I'm able to produce massive amounts of pieces. Content Fries also creates for TikTok, and I can also publish to TikTok from here as well. These are a couple of TikTok pieces that I did right here. These are all these right here. These are all TikTok pieces. So I can get them all. I can crank them all out. Instagram TV, Reels, I can do everything and post everything between these two tools. 40 pieces, 3 hours. All right, this has been Jenny Jones. Hopefully this was helpful. I know it went longer, but please go ahead and like and subscribe. If you want to see deeper dive, me getting into these tools, lifting up the hood, then you're going to have to try to catch me over at SaaS Use Case TV. Hope all is doing well. Should be a link for that in the description. Goodbye for now.